Dan, you can hold it there. Major. You there? Okay. Yeah. You should take, the major, this.
How hot is it?
Yo, how hot is it? For other people, right? And also it should be the position and the everywhere.
Yo, let's see if it burns.
Also look at the pay. How much you pay.
Dude, why are you recording? I'm putting this on my YouTube channel. I'm putting this down. It's gonna be the 13th version.
I made the sound with my hands.
Dylan, I genuinely thought you were recording, bro.
Alright. What bro do? Bro, Dylan, put your Wi-Fi back in, bro. Do you have testing today? No. You sure? Yeah, I don't have math. What hour do you have math? First. I have science third. Well, yeah, no crud. No shit. I have science with you. No. Yes.
Okay.
I think we have 8th hour. Together? I think we have to go to 4th hour. I don't know. Next? I don't know though. I think we do. Yes, Dylan. We go second hour, 4th hour, 6th hour,
When?
8th hour,
Eight.
when.
Today? Today, choose.
Next week they're gonna change it back.
That's it. After that, I don't know.
Next
So Dylan, we go 2, 4, 6, 8. When?
next week they're gonna change it back.
No, because next week's science testing.
Yeah, but still.
Give me your iPad real quick. I'm gonna do a noise.
No, you can just do it.
No.
It'll hear you. I think I'm gonna make this one 10 minutes longer.
Why?
Because,
Bro, you hear the squealing?
the what?
Like, I hear squealing from this.
Yeah.
It's getting too hot.
Yo, let's see if it starts smoking.
Bro, we should. Bro, I go to the bathroom, come back with a drop of water. Bro, you just hit your head right here too.
Motherfucker.
Cocksucker.
Yo, I think that just made my video age restricted. I think that just made my video age restricted, bro.
No, it didn't.
Trust. It's age restricted now. I think my longest video is like 6 minutes only.
Wait, if you make it 10 minutes long, it's gonna go into 4th hour.
No.
Oh, heck no, bro.
Brooks. Nothing there.
Nisha.
Our education. Nobody went to be a teacher. This group, no. Who will teach your sister and your brother?
They don't get paid enough.
If I become a teacher, I'm probably just gonna say, you know, just do your work. Just do your work and then you can get on your phone. I don't care. I'm probably gonna be a substitute. Do your work. I don't care. I don't care if you get on your phone. Just
Get
do
on your
work
phone
first.
while I'm teaching. I don't care as long as you're not doing anything inappropriate on your phone.
Yeah. Exactly. I don't care.
Hello. Hello. So, which major are you gonna pick up? So, your career? Did you choose it? Oh, you don't know yet? So you can figure out the major. This is my young business school. Okay. There's a lot of the major and all around. You can choose it. You might get an idea. Okay. So you can do it in the school. So which major are you interested in? You should choose the major. How about?
Yo, we need a fork.
Okay. And also,
You know about it in school?
and also the position and available. Yeah. But some student, one of my
need a
friends,
fork,
I just
bro.
will share it. One of my friends, she just always said that, how about education? Last year she graduated, but she really got interested about it. That's what, right?
Nisha.
She changed
Nisha, stop
Bro, why does that feel
that's what
weird?
makes sure, okay?
They like it way too cute.
You might get an idea of it. I'm not persuade, okay? I just want to share my experience, okay? Yeah. When I go in high school, nobody showed me or something like that. That's what I just went.
Uh-oh, don't get the cops involved.
Well, that's like 30 years.
You too. You want to do that too?
Yeah, bro, like, hold on.
Kobe, you should be a teacher. Yes. Yeah?
No.
Need you. Especially the teacher position, so fit with the white people. Not us. You should choose the education.
Substitute.
Yeah. I gave you, the recommendation. Which one? Chemistry. Okay, after you graduate chemistry, which department are you gonna join? You will be teacher. Yes, because the chemistry most of the data, so we can figure out any job. Okay, cool. Some students.
Trucker.
Then you will be away from your family every month on end.
What matters more, your family or keeping your money to help your family?
But you are so smart. I agree. That's the major is a really, really useful for you. How about medication, medical science, or whatever? How about?
I was asking teaching. I don't care.
Yeah, pharmacy. That's
Teaching is my last resort job.
No, for you, teaching is a software for you. Yes.
Well, if I do teach,
For
then
me,
I teach like
most
either
okay.
science or not.
Yes, you can do it. That's right. Yeah. So this is my recommendation. The reason is we are most of the United States. Everywhere is a race. They give it. That's why for me, especially some students they don't accept university. White people just accept it. And also for you, so that's position. You should choose education. Yes. And also education is a scholarship too.